Hey guys, Eric here with another quick video. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this. Today we're going to show you a really cool option you have if you want to use it as a Chrome extension. It's called Eyedropper. It's basically just a open source extension, and it will allow you to pick the color from different sources, certain pictures. Maybe you're on a web page, you're like, I really like that color. I'd like to add that to maybe a background of my page. So in this illustration here, we're just looking at, these are free landing pages for WordPress themes. And let's say, for instance, you want this green color right here. Now, I already have the Chrome extension. It's up above. It's right there. And it says Eyedropper. We'll click on that. And we're going to go to Pick Color from Web Page. And what you'll see is a little box that follows the mouse. So you see the box? And we want that color right there. Let's click on that. Now let's go above, and we can go ahead and take this selected color there. We'll copy that. Let's go to my site, and this is on the back end here of WordPress. And let's say, for instance, we want to go to the background type, and we want to go to classic, actually color right here. So what I can do is I can go ahead and put and paste that right there. And we've got the exact color. Let's stretch that out a little bit. We've got the exact color as here. So just a quick tip there if you are looking for an extension such as that. Thanks again, guys, for watching. See you real soon.